Hey guys, welcome to the lab. Welcome back to another episode, impromptu episode. I just got a care package today from somebody that I originally met last year at the CSC card show when I was with TJ. I was approaching a booth, and the guy working there was like, "I didn't expect to see you here today, or I knew you were going to come today." I think that's what he said to me. Turned out he's a sports store that sells cards, but also sells jerseys and memorabilia and hats as well. So they sent over a care package. I'm going to show you what it is. It's basically a hat and two card products, which is pretty cool for them to do. But this hat already released on their website. I'm going to show you their website in a second, but it's this Blackhawk. The actual guy is kind of just tonaled out. We're left with the feathers, tonal flag, and then the C logo at the side. Beautiful, beautiful hat. Green under, black bill, and it's got the new cool white insides. New Era has been putting white taping on lighter color hats lately, which has been a pretty cool thing that they're doing. Excuse my voice. I've been sick for the last 2 days. And then he also sent over a blaster box, I guess, of Topps 2019 Series 2. So the chase here is going to be Vlad Guerrero's rookie or Fernando Tatis. And he sent over one of these Topps Archive Series, Topps Archive 2024. So the chase here would be Jackson Holiday, Paul Skeens, and then there's a lot of MVP buyback redemption cards here, so maybe a lot of Ronald Acuna. I'm going to open those a little bit later, but first, let's take a look at their website and kind of help you guys navigate. So Pro Rare Sports is located in Stouffville, Ontario. So anyone local and Canadian like me can just pay in Canadian, but I'll show you where to find that hat. So I clicked hockey. They got this orange Ducks, this brown Bruins, and then this hat, this Blackhawks hat right here. They got some Whalers, a cool Avalanche. So $53 Canadian gets you the hat. So for my American friends, $53 Canadian is only about $38 American. So keep that in mind when you're doing the conversion. Your dollar is worth way more than ours. But yeah, beautiful, beautiful hat. They got all sorts of stuff on their website. Baseball jerseys. So for all the Toronto fans, they got soccer jerseys. All sorts of stuff. Real cool guy, real humble. Watches the show, which was crazy, to meet people out in the wild that watch the show, whether it be Leon in the lab or Views from the Vault. Very humbling, real cool guy. So he was able to send that over. I'm really, really appreciative of that. So let's get into the fun part, opening this stuff. So I'm going to add my phone here. And yeah, so this is the Topps Archive 2024. Just got my knife. Where did my knife go? There it is. Try to do this without breaking something. I'll do the autograph first because I want to see what the autograph is. So we got lucky. I've never opened one of these before. Oh wow. So we got an Alec Thomas autograph. 1/1. Wow. It's beautiful. Alec Thomas. 1/1. Now let's open this bad boy. Back 5-year-old box art. It's crazy. Seven packs plus a 150 exclusive. What's this thing? No coupons. They're all expired though. These are thick packs. I'm all out of breath because I'm tired. I'm sick. So we pull some Vlad rookies. Nick Kufko, Ian Nova, Matt Harvey. You say Kikuchi, okay. Sandy Alcantara, Brian Shaw, Padres, Mookie, Nick Williams, Alex Blando, Danny Salazar, Duval, Drees Familia, Jason Castro. Whoop. Trying to get in a comfortable position to do this. Victor Reyes, rookie. DJ Stewart, rookie. Josh Rogers, rookie. Pedroia, Mets. Baltimore, Cal rookie. Taylor Rogers. Edamero Vargas, Tyler Austin, Bryce Harper, Brian Johnson, Jay Happ, Alex Wood, Mike Fulton-Neves, Mike Fulton-Neves. Daniel Murphy, Delano Shields, Dominic Leone, Elias Ronis, High Up Down Low, Milwaukee Menace, Detroit Tigers, piece of the franchise, Dwight Gooden, All-Star, Starlin Castro, Ronnie Rodriguez, Jorge Bonifacio, Mickey Domenico, and Carlos Stan. No rookies in that pack. That guy's really sore. Alright. Clint Frazier, have his jersey. Robbie Erlin, Robert Stock, Tommy Hunter, Josh James, John Armstrong, Andrew Benintendi foil, Carlos Tucci autograph, rookie, Isaac Galloway rookie, Paul McHugh, Colton Wong, Dustin Fowler, Jared Hughes, Rysel Iglesias. I love with the packs. Patrick Corbin, Billy McKinney, Aaron Munoz, Kansas, Brian Johnson, Bob Feller, Mark Melanson, Willie Peralta, Shohei. Wow. It's not a rookie though, but Shohei, nice. Chen Wei-Yin, Matt Kemp, Christopher Negron, Bobby Pointer rookie, Troy Tulowitzki. Yankees. All right, no Vlad, no Tatis yet. Hopefully we score one of those. Dexter Fowler, Verdugo, and Felix. Ahmed Rosario. Whoa. Shohei gets hot. Diamondbacks, Gil Hodges, David Peralta, Hernan Perez, David Hess, Tony Kemp, Chris Shaw, rookie, Christian Vasquez, Anthony Scandolfini. Last regular pack. Frenchy Cordero, Christian Stewart rookie, James Antillian, Indians, Bryce Wilson, Lindor, Machado, Steven Matz, Jason Hayward, Jacoby Ellsbury, Nate Jones, Jacoby Jones, Brock Holt, and Luke Voigt. Alright. And last pack. Remember if pack inside. Sandy Koufax. That's cool. But all right. Appreciate you guys for watching. To all my American friends out there, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys are spending it with your family and get to enjoy the time off. For the Canadians, we already got our Thanksgiving in April. So shout out to you guys. Check out Pro War Sports down in Stouffville. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Until next time, we're out of here. Peace. No,